They call me Isis. Yes, they do. But do you have any idea who Isis came through? There was a time long before her name, long before I came to fame as Isis, you see. As you travel deeper within me and you honor my true identity, I take you back to the temple walls where some of you may recall the name of Ast and Aset. Ring and stand tall. The ancient ones left pictures for you to see of me in all my divinity. They call me Isis, yes they do. But look deeper and you will see through and through. Aset by some as they look within to choose a goddess to be their friend. She wears upon her head a crown, the throne of which is world renowned. Ast is the beginning of all of this. Yet Isis is known most of all. I wonder why the things have changed. When the invaders came, they changed the name. The vibrational rate and the tones you receive and the energies they chose to help you to believe. Extracted from the temple walls, they tried to make her essence fall. But the Great Mother, called by some Aset, for those who know, it is truly asked, always. And yet, they call me Isis. Do not be deceived. Look deep within and know what it is that you believe. And from whence I came, the truth be told. And as you enter into her throne door, the true treasures you will behold. Limit not your study, for they call me Isis, yes they do. And the energies of Mother come through. But there is always a deeper path to follow. This you can know. A set to ask the Great Mother for you to behold. Look deep within and feel her love, for she dwells within. And push back, she will not be shoved. To all to seek to know, they will find. and the solar disk upon her head does shine. You have entered into the goddess temple palace. I am queen. I am mother. I am goddess. Opulence, Ra, Nectar, keeper of the goddess temple palace. Do subscribe, do like, do ring my bell, that you will know when I will come to tell the truths that come to me to share with thee, the children of the earth, from time and infinity. Blessed be thee who hear my words. Seek for yourself the knowledge that is written on the walls.